Hi everyone, this is a video for a tutorial to the InShot app. The InShot app is a very easy video editor that you can use to compile or create any kind of videos. The interface has three things and we will try to create a video. So you click on new and then you select the photos. So after you have selected all your photos, when you click on the photo, you'll see that it has a timer. So every photo will appear on your video for 5 seconds. Now first thing is if you can increase or decrease this timer. So for example, I want all the photos not to appear for more than 3 seconds. The number one reason for that is I don't like very long videos, and secondly, when you add in any stickers or anything, it becomes very easy because mostly all the stickers and everything are for 3 seconds. So this is like a trick that makes sure all the photos are 3 seconds each. Once you're done with that, and if you want to brighten up the photos, you can select it, click on filter, and then go to filter, and you have various filters that you can use to apply to the photos. Now on the right hand side and the left hand side there are ticks. The single tick means that the filter will be applied only to the current photo, and if you click on the double tick, it will apply to all the photos in your video. So for example, I want this filter on everything. Now you see all the photos have the filter. So once you are satisfied with the filter, the next thing is adjustment. Is if you want to change anything manually, you can go to adjust and change it. I am okay with whatever it is, so I'm not gonna change it. Next is effect. If you want to give any kind of effects like noise or TV or anything else, you can use that. I prefer not to use anything, so let's skip this. Once we are done with the selection of the filter, the next thing is how to add text. So you click on T and then you write anything you want on the picture. So and then adjust it, and once you adjust it, you can change the format. So there are a lot of free options that you can use, and then if you want to change the color, there are definitely a lot of options that you can choose from. And once you're satisfied, same, you click on the tick and see here. So now you see two timelines, one has the photo and one has the text. So this is how you adjust. So if I increase the size of the length of the text, you will see it on every photo. So it depends on how long you want to keep the text for, and for that you will just reduce it to the length of the photograph, and then it will only appear on one photograph. So this is how you add the text. So for example, now if we want to go to the second one, I will again add a text and I'll write, say, whatever is the name of this dish, and select it, adjust it however I want it, and click on OK. So this is how we add text. Next comes, so if you play it, see, as soon as the picture goes, the text also goes. Now the next option is how to add various kind of stickers. So you click on stickers, and my favorite option is to go into the GIFs, go to the sticker option and search for keywords. For example, if I search for party, so I'll get various stickers related to party. So it becomes very easy to select a sticker. So I selected this sticker, and say suppose I want it on throughout my video. So what I'll do is I'll drag it till the end of the video, and if you play it, see, on every picture this sticker will come. Next is, say you want to make a birthday video and you want to write happy birthday. So you select here birthday, and then you get the birthday stickers. You can use those. Another option is, many of the people ask me that how do I add crown or hats to my birthday videos. So this is how I do it. I search for the crown, I select it. Once I get it, I drag it to the picture I wanted to place it, and once I go to that picture, I usually drag it where I want to keep. So say suppose I want the crown on this picture, So I will keep it here. So this is how you add the various kind of stickers to your photos. Next option is the duration we have already covered. Next option is, say you want to add a countdown to your video. So how to do that? To do that, you click on the plus sign, select a blank, and now on the blank you select the stickers, go to stickers, again go to the GIF option and select a countdown. Now when you select a countdown here, that's how you get it. And once you get it, you whatever you like, you select it, you move it. So for example, see, since I added a new frame here in the front, I have to move everything. So I have to move all the text. So this is something you have to take care of, that you can drag and drop the stickers or anything according to the place where you want to keep your video. So if you see here, we get the countdown. And see, as I told you initially, right, 3 seconds is the best time to put everything, because most of the stickers are like 3 seconds. Okay, next is, say suppose I want to add some audio. So I go to music, go to tracks, and then there are a lot of options here. They have this sort of tracks that the app comes with. You can select one of those, or you can use the imported music on your phone and use that. So when you play it, you will hear the music. So this is how you add music. You can also do live recording with this button. So it will do a live recording. So I don't want live recording because I'm already recording. So yeah, that is how everything related to a video that you want to make with pictures. Another option is, say suppose I don't want this picture. So here is the delete option. It gets deleted. Next is, say suppose I want this picture twice. So you can do a duplicate option and then simply drag and drop the picture wherever you want to take it. Another option is if you want to crop it. So say I don't like this part, so I will just crop it and use it. Another very good option is, go to canvas option and you can select. So for example, if you're making the video for YouTube, you select a 16:9. If you're making the video for Instagram, you select a 4:5. So you can select various presets, and that's how your video will look very nice when you use it on different platforms. Also, you can add custom backgrounds to the video. For example, in this picture I want to add, say, a photo. So okay, let me add this. So if I add this, see, it comes on my background, and you can select how it is looking. So this is how we edit the photographs. Next is how to edit a video. So I again go to the plus sign, go to the video option and select the video I want to edit. So what I want to do is, I want to start it from here. So I don't want this part. So what I will do, I will drag it to the point where I want it to start, click on split, and then select the part that I've split it and just delete it. So now the video will start from here. So now what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to add words to this video. So what I've done is, I've done a recording of pointing fingers in various directions, and then I will add words. So let's start. So I know my first word should come here. So I will bring the cursor here, add a text, and I will write this, and then I will move it to the place where I'm pointing the finger. So my plan is to display it throughout the video, so I will drag it till the end. So it says this. Next is here. So I will say, I will bring my cursor here, again add a tag, add a text here, and then same move it wherever I want it. Again drag it to the end because I want it to be displayed till the end. Next is, I go here, same procedure, bring the cursor here, add a text and select it, move it to the desired position, drag it till the end because you want it till the end, then again add a text, write whatever you want, okay it, put it wherever you want it, again drag it till the end. This is how you, and then this. So here I want to write edit videos. And then again okay it, I want to display it here and drag it till the end and see. And I don't want the last part, so I will just bring the cursor where I don't want it, split it, select the last part and just delete it. And now if I play this, see how it looks. So I see so I want edit here. So what I will do, I will click on this, edit it, remove the word edit here, edit from here, and then go back to this place where I'm pointing the finger. This is how. So you should come here. So I drag and drop it here, and then edit should come somewhere here. So I again add a text, write edit on this, and then select it and place it here, and then again use it till here, and now if I play it, this is how it looks. This is how you edit videos. Ta-da! So yes, I think I've covered everything I use on InShot in this tutorial. And yes, one more thing. So suppose I want to reverse this video. So what I'm gonna do is select this video. Let's just duplicate this video. So we will select it and duplicate it, again select it, and then if you want to increase the speed, so for example I want to increase the speed to say 4. So now if I play it, see how fast it goes. And now if you want to decrease the speed, again you come here, you decrease the speed. Now if you play it, see how fast it goes. And now I want to reverse it, so I again select it, and here there's an option of reverse. It will take some time, but it's gonna reverse it, and see, now it is reversed. Nice, right? So I'm gonna just split it, delete this part since I don't like it, and yes, so now the video editing is done. Thank you so much. Hope you like this tutorial and it is helpful for you for making your videos. And thanks to InShot. This is definitely not sponsored, but I really like this app. So that's why I thought I'll make a tutorial to make everyone's lives easy. So yes, have fun. Bye-bye. Oh yes, one more thing, sorry. So once you're done, you click here on this upload button and then you can save this. So once you save it, it will take some time to definitely save it. So till the time it is saving, don't close this window, don't move from this particular screen, otherwise it will stop saving. See how much time it is taking to save. Once it is saved, since InShot is free, you will have to see all these ads, and once you are done with seeing all the ads, your video will be there in your gallery and you can use it. So thank you guys. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.